Percentages are simply fractions where the denominator is 100. The word percent is derived from the Latin phrase per centum, meaning by the hundred or out of 100. So 25% means 25 out of every 100. The symbol percent is read as percent. A fraction is of a unit, while a percentage is per 100. Therefore, to express a fraction as a percentage, we can just multiply the fraction by 100. More generally, y% of some value, say 80, is given by y over 100 times 80. We can also say that 45% of some value, say z, is given by 45 over 100 times z. 20% of y plus 5% of y equals 25% of y. A ratio can be converted to a fraction and then to a percentage. Percentage increase or decrease. Percentage increase equals amount of increase divided by original amount or base times 100. Percentage decrease equals amount of decrease divided by original amount or base times 100. Profit and loss. The price quoted by the shopkeeper is the marked price. Sometimes this can be the MRP of an item. The price the customer pays after a discount is called the selling price, SP. The price the shopkeeper paid to purchase that item is called the cost price, CP. If the selling price is less than the cost price, it will result in a loss. If the selling price is more than the cost price, it will result in a profit. If SP equals CP, then no profit, no loss. Taxes. Tax, like the GST, goods and services tax, or the income tax rates, are also specified as percentages. GST mentioned as part of bills. This means that the tax is part of the amount we pay, and this amount goes to the government. GST is calculated on SP. Interest is the extra money paid by institutions like banks or post offices on money deposited with them. Interest is also paid by people or institutions when they borrow money. On which the interest is calculated is called principal, or we can say the borrowed/lent money is the principal. Rate of interest, or rate, is the percentage of a principal amount charged or paid by a bank or lender for the use of money. If R equals 5% PA, here PA is the short form of per annum, the total amount at the end of T years is P plus P times R times T equals P plus PRT equals P times 1 plus RT. Compounding is the process where your money earns interest, and then that interest earns interest of its own. The total amount after T years is P times 1 plus R times 1 plus R times ... times 1 plus R T times equals P times 1 plus R to the T. Decline. Several items or materials lose financial value over time. This is called depreciation, reduction of value due to use and age of the item. While comparing percentages, we have to be mindful that we are comparing fractions or proportions and not absolute values.